Hey guys, it's your girl LaTanya Kristina, aka TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and of course beauty. Because what will we all be without the love of makeup and all things beauty? And so far, we're really only into 5 months of the year, and there's been so many, new collaborations and releases. And I think the only one I've gotten so far was the round 2 of It's My Ray Way with BH Cosmetics. The second one, the round 2, because the palette I actually, really like, and for the price, you can't really beat it. But a collaboration that I was looking forward to when I started seeing the promos on Instagram. Makeupshayla's round 2, another round 2 with Colourpop, Proceed with Caution. I like the packaging, I like the promo that she did. So we're going to explore this today. Should be interesting. Let's see if we think it's better than Perception, her first palette, which I liked and a lot of people, liked as well too. So we'll see if Makeupshayla brought it a second time around, which should be interesting. We'll do kind of a comparison of the two. I'll make my decision and my assessment from there. So before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You've been watching, just hit subscribe, call it a day. Like, comment, let me know what you guys think, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see, because I'm open for sure. So I'm looking forward to this Proceed with Caution. And I bought the PR packet, which it was only 50 bucks, so you can't really beat it. But let's get into it. Let's see what round 2 for Makeupshayla does with Colourpop. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into the collection itself and what actually came in the PR kit. So you got 2 lip liner, lip gloss duos. So this is the first one, and it's BFF3, and this color here, which is called Speed Up, which is kind of it's really pinky. She really likes, those pink colors. Yeah, I don't know about that one. And the other one is a new pencil. It's BFF4, which BFF3 is like a brown, and then this is BF4, which kind of reminds me of maybe Chestnut from MAC. And then the other, what's this? Lip gloss is, what is this? Slow Down. That is this one. Okay, I might be able to work with that one. I think I like that one a little better. And it came with 2 pressed powder blushes, which I found really interesting. So here's the first one. This is Construct, more of a really neutral color here. Really like this one. Really like this one. And if anyone watches Shayla, we both really like Sweetest Cocoa from MAC. So that kind of reminds me of that. So I'm not surprised that she would have that. The second one is another color I know she likes. This is Whistle While You Work, and it's a really bright pink. It's about as pink as the top I have on. So, not sure about that one. But, we may use them both and see. Then there's the palette, Proceed with Caution. Very nice packaging. It's got a mirror, of course. It's a 9-pan palette this time. I think her first one, I'm going to say, I have it sitting in front of me. Let me see. 4, 8, was 16. So this is 9. And she has the names down here. And she has a yellow in here, kind of similar to Canary in the round 2 It's My Ray Ray palette. And she's got the names on here. So let me swatch them for you guys. This first one is Proceed, which is kind of a white. That's this one. Let me just swatch them off for you guys. There's Maintenance. Okay, Maintenance is pretty. Dead End, which is a gold. Let's see. Wow. Warning. Okay, hold on, that one. Ooh, this yellow here. It's like the yellow in the It's My Ray Ray one kind of scares me too, because it is such a yellow. This drill here is pretty. And she has Culture again here in the palette. Culture is also in Perception, and that's kind of her favorite transition color there. So here, I'll tell you guys what we have. We have Proceed, Maintenance, Dead End. Come on, arm. Let's move it here. We have Dead End, which is the gold. This here, Warning. No, this is Hazard. Warning and Hazard. The yellow here, if I can find it, is Caution. We have Drill here. My swatches aren't that great today. Oh, there we go. Culture. And then the black one here is Gloves On. So, not bad. I'm not sure what I'm going to do today. But we going in, y'all. We going to see how this compares to, if it's even fair to compare it, you know, to Perception, but I think it's fair enough to say we can. So, and I couldn't compare the It's My Ray Ray Round 2 to the first one because I didn't have the first one because I didn't like the first one. So I opted out of that one. But let's just go in, y'all. Let's see how this is going to work. All right. So, of course, we're obviously going to start off with Culture here. I want to get this all over. So I'm going to take a bigger brush, my Morphe M441 brush, and really try to get this all over the place. This is definitely, I'm going to say it's different. It's definitely different from Perception, that's for sure. I don't know what kind of eye look I'm going to do today, y'all. All right, not sure what I'm going to do today, but we just going to go in, start off with Culture, since that's, you know, definitely her favorite, you know, transition color, we'll say. So, you know, if you have the Perception palette, you're very much familiar with this color, at least. So when I started seeing the promos for it, I'm like, okay, all right. Everybody, you know, doing a round 2. First, you know, there was Desi and Katie, and then It's My Ray Ray. So I've looked at the Desi and Katie one a couple of times in Ulta. I still pass on it. So I don't, you know, just some of the colors in there. And I love the packaging of it. I absolutely love the packaging of it. I just don't think I need it in my life. I really don't think I need it in my life. Okay. Culture is definitely Culture. That's for certain. I don't know. I'm almost tempted to want to try this yellow, guys, because it's so bright and it's just so pretty. I haven't tried that yellow yet in the It's My Ray Ray palette, but I'm getting to it. I am definitely getting to it. All right, it's going on well, but that's to be expected. Little bit of fallout. I'm not sure why, but there's definitely some, and I'm not sure why, because normally Colourpop's, you know, colors kind of hold up pretty well. Okay, so I think let's go in with Maintenance. I like Maintenance. It's kind of a brownish reddish color, and I think maybe let's just try to take that. Let's see if we can take it into the crease here. Actually, no, let's kind of lay it here. Let's kind of see. Yeah, it's pretty. It's got more red than kind of brown undertones, but it's really pretty. Try to move it into the crease here. And I may take, it's pretty though. Yeah, I do feel like I've got to build it up a little bit, which, you know, is kind of surprising me from Colourpop. Yeah, it's really surprising me right now. And this color is definitely not as deep as I would like it to be. But let's just, you know, keep adding, keep building. Okay. All right. I don't know, y'all. I'm on the fence. Right, I'm just on the fence, but let's kind of cut the crease here a little bit, or just kind of like the inner corner here. See what, and I don't know which color I want to add, but I'm definitely going to experiment with that yellow. So let's just kind of go here in the corner here. Oh, that's how high I want to go. I might add some of the black on here just to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I may take some of that black gloves on, and let's just see. Ooh, see, warning. Look how bright that is. That's pretty though. That's bright. Drill is pretty. That's drill. Ooh, we can go for bright. Dead end is like a gold. Let me just grab another brush, and let's just see. I don't know, y'all. Let's go for drill. That way. And drill, I don't know how to describe the color, but it's maybe something in the, oh yeah, so there's some pigment there. Rose gold is kind of what it looks like to me. Kind of what it looks like to me. Okay. Now we getting somewhere. Now we getting someplace. Okay. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Oops. Ooh. To the wrong color. Okay. Well, let me finish up, add some foundation, some lashes. We'll do the lips. We'll see how it compares to Perception, my final thoughts on the palette, and we'll go from there. Stick around. I'll be right back. All right, so I finished up my eyes. I popped that yellow caution in the corners there, added some lashes. So let's go in with some blush. I think I'm gonna try them both actually, because I just like the colors of both of them. The first one here, Construct, is, you know, that's, oh, it's got more color than I thought. Okay, all right. Oh wow, it's definitely got more color than I thought. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay, that was a surprise. I think I'm just gonna go with that one. Oh my, it looks so almost kind of bland in the pan, but I like it. We're just gonna go with that one because this one, the other one, what is this? Whistle While You Work is bright. Okay, that made it easy. Lips. So I think I'm gonna go with BFF. What is this, 4? Yeah, this is 4. And let's see, this is the one that kind of reminds me of Chestnut from MAC a little bit. So let's just see how this is gonna, it's really dark. Yeah, it's definitely dark. And what you want to do when you put on, you know, a lip pencil, you just kind of want to lay the pencil flat on your lips, because you want to try to get as much coverage as you can. And then I normally blot it as such. Yeah, it's a pretty color. But you know, I'm obsessed with lip pencils, though. I have like 5 million lip pencils, and I'll probably only use maybe 3 or 4 of them. All right, so let's go with Slow Down. That other one was a little too bright, but we'll see. And then I'm just going to put it on the bottom lip. Okay. Blot it. I like it. I'm not going to say I love it, but I like it. Let me add a little more. Do I love it? But I do like it. And since we're just going to add some of her highlighter. Let's go with Boomin' because it's sitting right here. And just add, oh shit. Here I am. I'm going to just add a little bit. All right. Is that, oh, yeah, like that. This is Boomin'. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look using Proceed with Caution. And let's just do a quick comparison of this and Perception. We have a 16-pan palette versus a 9-pan palette. They're very different. They're definitely very different. And Perception, I had some fallout with this one. And I'm not, you know, it seems like I don't know what kind of theme was aiming for here, but you know, definitely you could do a smoky eye, you could do a neutral eye. The fact that she added culture, you know, a second time. Culture's a good, you know, transition color, or, you know, a good starting color, you know, in the crease. And I like a lot of the shimmers here. Maintenance, I had to, you know, I felt like I kept having to build that up, and it's kind of in the purple family now that it's on. And I would use it again. The palette itself is $12, you know, by itself. And I think it's a good quality. So I like it. You know, I like it. Do I like it better than Perception? No, I do not. Perception is just, it's a palette. I travel with this palette. And I've been using it, you know, again, a lot lately. I just like Perception better. I don't dislike Proceed with Caution. I just think Perception is a better palette. And just like I thought with It's My Ray Ray, her round 2, I thought round 2 was better than the first one. In this case, I think Perception round 1 is better than round 2. It's functional. I like it. Again, it's $12. As far as the other items, I like this combination that I'm wearing, BFF4 and Slow Down, you know, for a nice nude lip. Really, really like this. This blush here, Construct, what I'm wearing, oh my God. I wasn't expecting what I got from this, so I like this. So I'll definitely give this pinky one a try, you know, next. You know, for sure. I just think because of the top that I have on, it probably would be just a bit too much. But yeah, this I like. And the pencils. But I mean, you can never go wrong with pencils. And I'll definitely use this Speed Up. This is another, it's an Ultra Satin lip. And this one, it's an Ultra Satin, you know, lip too. So I like it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys are going to pick up Proceed with Caution, round 2, Makeupshayla with Colourpop. You know, again, I don't dislike it. I like it for $12. Would I get it? Absolutely, because it's small, it's compact, and you can travel with it. So to me, because I travel so much for work, you know, and I need, you know, palettes that are small and just fit into, you know, a small space, this works. Do I like it better than Perception? No, absolutely not. But I do like it for the price. So let me know if you guys are going to pick it up. This is what I think of Proceed with Caution. Let me know if you agree or you disagree. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Let me know what you guys think, you know, as well too. Until next time, TeeTee is out.